vision is not just to create a course. I want to build something that can genuinely transform lives of people. So, in this group, I'll also keep sharing valuable knowledge and insight related to confidence, self growth, success, mindset, and graphology. So, why did I choose these topics is very personal to me, because these were the exact area where I personally struggle in my life, like confidence, self-belief, overthinking, self-doubt. But through graphology and making small changes within myself, I slowly started noticing transformation in my thinking, behavior, confidence in my life. That's when I realized if these techniques can help me transform, why not to teach others? So my mission is simple. I want more and more people to become confident, believe in themselves and achieve what they truly deserve in life.